Hey Santo, gracias Chan, gracias
You got your time, you got your time, you got your time.
Hey Santo, gracias Chan, gracias
You know what to make. You got your time, you got your time.
Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Radio Kime with me, Guillaume.
Galan, Ethan.
Oshan.
We hope you enjoyed last week's edition and looking forward to this week's edition. We got all our usual features such as a mystery voice, birthdays, news, guess a year and this week's interview. And this week's interview is going to be a surprise interview and we are not going to tell you until the interview starts. We're going to start off with Hey Jude by the Beatles.
Hopefully the volume will sound better because we got a new microphone.
Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. You were made to go out and get her. The minute you let her under your skin, then you begin to make it better. And anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't care
That was Hey June by the Beatles. Now we got the mystery voice.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery Voice. Mystery Voice.
Okay, thank you, Dylan, and welcome to our Mystery Voice feature, is where we play you 5 different voices and you have to guess which ones they are. Here's voice number 1 for this week.
I know he's tough as a negotiator, but I also think a secret weapon with him is actually humour.
Here's the second mystery voice of the week.
Yeah, kind of. Many trainings, many games. We have to travel a lot, and basically difficult. Difficult. We don't have a lot of time.
Voice number 3 for this week.
There will be more extreme climates, very difficult to predict, heaven knows. But that will be certainly one of the things. Yes.
Here's our 4th voice for this week.
Well, the funny thing is that song obviously has been around for 30 years now. When people would say things like, oh, it was our wedding song, or we are going to get married, and use that as our song.
And here's our 5th and final voice for this week.
Yeah, the reason we actually wrote in on the night itself is that we'd come in from going out and we switched on the TV. And first of all, we actually thought the thing was a joke. It was so bad. And as we began to go through the show, we realised that these people were actually being serious.
I hope all have answered correctly. The next song is Happy by Pharrell Williams.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along
was Happy by Pharrell Williams. Now we got the birthday.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Bruce Springsteen is 75, a rock singer. Joe Locke is 20, TV actor. Ian Bourne is 47, TV star. Kamar Marie is 21, a YouTube star. Kevin Sorbo is 65, a TV star. That's all we got of the birthday. Hope you had a nice birthday. Now the song we're gonna have is Castle on the Hill by Ed Sheeran.
When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. And I was running from my brother and his friends, and tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass I rolled down. I was younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart, broke it here, made friends and lost them through the years. And I've not seen the boring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. 15 years old and smoking hand-rolled cigarettes, running from the law through the backfields and getting drunk with my friends. Had my first kiss on a Friday night. I don't reckon that I did it right, but I was younger then. Take me back to when we found weekend jobs, and when we got paid, we'd buy cheap spirits and drink them straight. Me and my friends have not thrown up in so long. Oh, how we've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. Over the castle on the hill. Over the castle on the hill. One friend left to sell clothes, and one works down by the coast. One had 2 kids but lives alone. One's brother overdosed. One's already on his second wife. One's just barely getting by. But these people raised me, and I can't wait to go home. And I'm on my way. I still remember these old country lanes when we did not know the answers, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill.
Hey, Ethan here. And here's my travel feature.
Here is our travelling feature with Ethan.
Boy, it's gonna be wild. We're now in continental Europe, for real. Last time we were in Britain, but that was part of the continent. This time we're in the continent proper as we go from Paris to Rome. Now, you haven't remembered the ground rules? If you don't, write them down. So, here we go. So, you have to catch a train from Paris Gare de Lyon in Paris, France, to Nice in Nice, France. And pretty much, you have to transfer that after staying there for like 7 hours and 39 minutes. And not to mention that the train to get to Nice is only like, not much. And then you have to, once there, you have to change to a train to Ventimiglia, which is across the Italian border on TER 86003. And once there, you have to change over to the Ventimiglia to Roma Termini. Once the total trip would be roughly taking 22 hours and 23 minutes, and it costs £276. Now you may be asking, what about the animated stops? Sorry, that will take forever. So let's do, let alone the Italian section is lots of stops. So leaving that out. The next song is Dal Dig by Bizig.
Helo, os na rywun adra ni wyt ti eto dim yn gallan partio mwyn teimlo dim. Helo, lle wyt ti arni ma' na fis di bod o beidio gweld chdi ma' dy gwmpen ni di troi yn brin. A mae'r byd yn dal I droi ond ti'n symud dim dal I orwad yn dywelu'r ben dy hun Deu bod dim yn gwrthod cyfadda'r gwir ti'n chwarae gêm yn chwarae gyda nghalon ni Ond dwi dal yma'n procio ar dy ddws Bore ddydd tan nos dewis a beth yng nghwsg Ond ti'n yngadal I yn y glaw Cogio bod yn fyd I gael cadw draw a dwi dal I aros yn dal yn hyn Methu cerdded ffordd dal yn hyn Trio cofio dy lyn ond fedra ddim Trio cofio dy oes ond dwi'n cofio ddim Dal I ffonio dal yn dyn Ar y ffydd sy'n drysyn yn glaw Ti'n methu helpu dy hun ac teimlo'n unig Methu eto dy hun rhagor di Trwy dy gem sbi arna I Helo ti'n ffansi galw heibio Mi ydy'r dacran dal I lifo Ydw a di ers ti fynd am Gaerdydd anghydalu A mae'r byd yn dal I droi ond ti'n symud dim Dal I orwad yn dywelu'r ben dy hun Ond ti'n yngadal I yn y glaw Cogio bod yn fyd I gael cadw draw Dwi dal I aros I dal yn hyn Methu cerdded ffordd dal yn hyn Trio di bod gadir hiras dydyn di nhw Tyrdo'r cysgod gadir gola dy arwyn di nhw A ty paid â ffoi, paid â di am Fi di bali aros yn dal fan hyn Methu cerdded ffordd dal yn un Trio cofio dy wyn, ond fedra ddim Trio cofio dy oes, ond dwi'n cofio dim dal I ffonio'n dal ydyn Ar y pryd sy'n rhysyn yn dal Ti methu helpu dy hun ac teimlo'n unig Methu ato dy hun rhag o fi Ata i, ata i, da fi At y byd, at y byd
Okay, so now we are moving on to our Guess a Year quiz. This is a quiz where we say 5 facts about the year and you have to guess which year it is.
Guess the year.
Developer Woody.
The year the movie Titanic was released.
And it also was a year that Chelsea won the FA Cup as well.
Candle in the Wind by Elton John. What was most played song?
Also, it was a year that Radiohead released the album OK Computer.
Last not least, Tony Blair, because the Prime Minister.
Okay, so we all hope you got the year correctly, and we'll be saying a year after news around the school and a couple of songs. The next song is Highway to Hell by AC/DC. Next song is Monsters by James Blunt.
Before they turn off all the lights, I won't read you your wrongs or your rights. The time has gone. I'll tell you good night, close the door. Tell you I love you once more. The time has gone, so here it is. I'm not your son, you're not my father. We're just two grown men saying goodbye. No need to forgive, no need to forget. I know your mistakes and you know mine. And while you're sleeping, I'll try to make you proud. So Daddy, won't you just close your eyes? Don't be afraid. It's my turn to chase the monsters away. Oh, well, I'll read a story to you. Only difference is this one is true. The time has gone. I folded your clothes on the chair. I hope you sleep well, don't be scared. Time has gone, so here it is. I'm not your son, you're not my father. We're just two grown men saying goodbye. No need to forgive, no need to forget. I know your mistakes and you know mine. And while you're sleeping, I'll try to make you proud. So It's my time to chase the monsters away. Sleep a lifetime, yes, and breathe the last word. You can feel my hand on your arm. I will be the last one, so I'll leave a light on. Let there be no darkness in your heart. But I'm not your son, you're not my father. We're just two grown men saying goodbye. No need to forgive, no need to forget. I know your mistakes and you know mine. And while you're sleeping, I'll try to make you proud. So Daddy, won't you just close your eyes? Don't be afraid. It's my time to chase the monsters away.
That was Highways to Hell there by AC/DC. Okay, so we are moving on to our news around the school for this week.
News from around the school.
Oshan is going to watch Kyle Fender in Aberdown. How nice of you that is, yeah, Oshan?
Yeah.
We all hope you have a nice time, Oshan.
Also, Oshan been to holiday to Rome in Italy.
That was so nice of Oshan, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
So what did you do in Rome then?
I got to Colosseum, seen the Colosseum, Vatican.
Nice, yeah, Oshan.
Yeah.
Also, in Kate Sky, Catherine has passed her theory test with flying colours, where Mr. Williams Kate Tree just about managed to pass. Well done. Also, in other news, Scottish Power turned off the electricity to the school over the weekend to do work on the charging points. When items switched on again, the back door wasn't working. We hope it will be fixed next week. And last but not least, Oshan is going to afternoon tea. In where, Oshan?
In Oriel Morn in Llangefni.
That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's our news around the school for this week. And the next song is Spectral by Fleur de Lis.
Ma'n hafod i'n glyma A phan ma'r niwl yn cuddio'r wawr A ma bob beiliad yn teimlo dda awr Cydian dyn mewn ffawd Rhwng dy fys a bawd Ma' na reswm nes i matach chdi nôl A ma' na reswm pam nes i ddim dod Mae'n siŵr bod chdi'n meddwl bod rhywbeth yn bod Ond ma'n iawn Dwi di ffeindio'n sbectol Nes i matach chdi nôl A ma' na reswm pam nes i ddim dod Mae'n siŵr bod chdi'n meddwl bod rhywbeth yn bod Ond ma'n iawn Dwi di ffeindio'n sbectol Dwi'n sori Na nes i'm sylweddoli Dy fod i wedi gyrru'r glom a draw I mi ers ro Dwi'n byw mewn byd breuddwydio O coelio fi pan dwi'n deitha chdi Fy mod i'n deud y gwir pan mon i'n hir hebdda chdi Dos na ni O dwi'n misio dy feddwl di grwydro Cos dwi'n gwneud hyn I fy hun bob tro Dor y gyfle i mi gael y gliro Ma' 'na reswm nes i matach chdi nôl Ma' 'na reswm pam nes i ddim dod Ma' siwr chdi'n meddwl bod rhywbeth yn bod ond ma'n iawn Dwi 'di ffeindio'n sbectol Ma' 'na reswm nes i matach chdi nôl Ma' 'na reswm pam nes i ddim dod Ma' siwr chdi'n meddwl bod rhywbeth yn bod ond ma'n iawn Dwi 'di ffeindio'n sbectol
Bechtel by Fleur-de-Lis.
Okay, so if you did our Guess a Year quiz, and our year was 1997. Let's hope you got that correctly, and play along next week with the Guess a Year. And now here's our answers for the Mystery Voice.
First answer is Bono by U2.
And our second Mystery Voice today was Cristiano Ronaldo. He used to be a football player and he played for Man United and Real Madrid.
Our third mystery voice was David Attenborough.
And our fourth Mystery Voice was singer, Never Gonna Give You Up singer, Rick Astley.
The last voice is Britain's Got Talent star Simon Carroll.
And our next song now is Build Me Up a Buttercup by The Foundations.
I'll be over at 10, you told me time and again, but you're late. I wait around and then I run to the door, I can't take anymore. It's not you, you let me down again. Baby, baby, try to find a little time and I'll make you happy. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. And worst of all, you never thought, baby, when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. You are my toy, but I could be the boy you adore if you just let me know. Although you are true, I'm attracted to you all the more. Why do I need you so? Baby, baby, try to find a little time and I'll make you happy. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Why do you build me up, buttercup, baby, just to let me down? And mess me around, and then worst of all, you never call, baby, when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you
Okay, so we had the Foundations there with Build Me Up a Buttercup. Okay, so we are moving on to our news around the world now. Okay, so our first report this week that TSB customers left without benefits and salary payments due to online glitch. A raft of customers of High Street leader TSB have been without benefits and salary payments due to a system error in the latest series of online banking glitches.
The Cooler announced the first new song in 60 years with the album to follow.
The Cure will release Alone on Thursday at midday with new album songs of A Lost World to follow on November 1st. If Roman numerals shared promotional images are to be believed.
KTV confirms You plus Eden is coming to Freeview.
Freeview viewers will be able to access factual channel Eden in the coming weeks for the first time, as UK TV confirms it's making the channel free to air. And also this week, PM Keir Starmer will no longer accept donations to pay for clothes. Sir Keir Starmer, Deputy Prime Minister Angela Rayner and Chancellor Rachel Reeves will not accept any further donations for clothing after row over gifts, a Downing Street source has said.
A new Beatles documentary, 1964, to commemorate 60 years since the band set foot in America. A new Beatles documentary titled 1964 is coming to Apple TV this year to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the band conquering the USA.
Okay, so that's our news around the world for this week. Our next song is Calm Down by Rima and Selena Gomez.
Calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, no day for me, young girl, oh young girl. No tell me no, oh. Baby, gon' give me your lo. You got me like whoa. Shawty gon' give me your lo. I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now in my divine situation, I go use they tell I'm mellow. Finally I find way to talk to the girl, but she ain't no one follow. Who you gonna phone for one? When you know I come for one, then I start to feel a bum one. But she dey give me small one. I know, say she sabi pass it down one. But she feeling insecure, cause her friends go they go my light ring go on. Go they go my light ring go on.
Yeah, I know we look shy, but for you I get down low. And my hips make you cry when I'm moving around you. Do it once, do it twice. I push back, you hold me tight. Get a taste for a night. Baby, show me you can calm down. Dance with me and take the lead now. Got you so high that you can't calm down. Don't you ask, you know you're allowed. When it's you, I can't say no. Baby, give me low. You got me like whoa. Shawty gon' give me a low.
As I reach my house, I see me got a small wall. As me I wake up, now she did my mind don't walk. Day one, day two, one of you folk go was. Now so me I go down, see me willing go walk.
Got my hand on your heart now, I can feel it race. If I leave, then you say you can never love again. Wanna give you it all, but can't promise that I'll stay. And that's a risk
calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, no day for me, young girl, oh young girl. No tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh. Baby, come give me your lo, 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 oh, 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 oh. You got me like whoa, 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 whoa. Shawty, come give me your lo, 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 oh, 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 oh.
Okay, so we are back now, and here's our surprise interview. And today we are interviewing Tom. Tom is a skateboard teacher who teaches skateboards around Anglesey.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
So, hello Tom, how are you today?
Hello, nice to be here.
Hello, Tom.
Hello, Tom.
So our first question today is, what is your first skateboard you bought?
So the first skateboard I ever bought was, I didn't buy it. At Christmas I was given a skateboard from Santa Claus when I was about 10. I'm not sure what the brand was, but I remember it said Blue Rules on the bottom of it.
What is your first trick you learned on the skateboard?
So the first trick I learned, I probably learned stuff on flat rather than on ramps first, and I probably learned board slide first on a parking block. So sliding across a parking block.
How old were you when you first started skateboarding?
I was about 10 years old.
Our fourth question is, how many skateboards do you have?
I have 15 odd skateboards that I take to schools and community centres for kids to learn on, and I also have about 8 skateboards I have that I use myself, that I like old skateboards and skateboards from different times, because different decades, so in the 80s and the 70s, they had different shapes. So I think it's really interesting how the shapes changed every year or every few years and evolved to what it is now.
That's a lot of skateboards, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
What is your favourite skateboard?
So my favourite skateboard would probably be a G&S Fiberflex, which is it's a 70s style skateboard that flexes when you move, and it's a bit like a surfboard.
What's your favourite interest out of skateboarding?
So I really enjoy making music. I think I got into music through watching lots of skateboard videos as a kid, because I sort of watched all of these old videos that had music that was kind of before I was born, and then I just got into music production and making music on computers and with guitars and with drums, and I like recording my own music.
What is your favourite band?
I'd have to think. I like a lot of electronic music. I saw Aphex Twin last year, and that was really interesting. He's a English producer that produces very odd, strange electronic music, and makes his own machines and things, and builds music himself from, I think, the age of 16 or something, very young, or even younger.
How you got teaching in skateboarding?
So I got into teaching skateboarding through being a primary school teacher for a long time. Outside of the UK, I was in Thailand for
6 years, and I was really into skateboarding, and I'd have kids that I did school assemblies where I kind of showed kids skateboarding, and there was lots of kids that were asking for lessons and how to do it. So I started doing after school lessons in the school I was in Thailand, and then when I chose to come back to the UK, I continued teaching skateboarding as it's something I'm really interested in.
How was it in Thailand, Tom? Living in Thailand for 6 years, how was it?
I loved it. I really enjoyed being in a place where everything was new and everything you had to sort of learn for the first time and understand, and things that you think that everybody does the same are totally different in a different part of the world. The way that people go to school and the way that they have holidays and different holidays, and the way that people speak and explain themselves and just live their life is so different to the UK, and I found that really interesting when I lived there. I really enjoyed Thailand.
Where in Thailand did you live?
So I lived in Bangkok for a little bit, and I found Bangkok a little bit too crazy because it's a very, very big city, and I eventually moved to Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is in the north of Thailand, and it's a city that's not that much bigger than Bangor, but has a bit more people. And I lived there for 3 years, I think.
Interesting. You ate in Thailand.
So the most interesting things I ate in Thailand, gosh, the food is very different there, and I wanted to try lots of different things. So I've tried chicken feet. So they would use every part of the animal. They're very, with being a Buddhist country, they don't like to waste anything. So you get chicken feet in a bag, and it's like a snack. It's a little bit like crisps. They deep fry them, and they're sort of crunchy. And a little bit like pork scratchings, I guess.
Oh, nice.
And I've tried frogs as well. I like frogs. You can get like a curry that has frogs' legs. And where I used to live in the north of Thailand, I used to see people in the night with headlamps on going into ditches when it's raining and just finding their dinner from taking a bucket and picking out frogs.
Chicken feet is quite nice. I tried it in Budapest.
I've never tried chicken feet before. Which song do you want to close off the radio show with this week?
Alberto Basam by Aphex Twin.
Okay, thank you, Tom, for interviewing us today.
Thank you very much for having me, Dion. I enjoyed being in your school and teaching skateboarding.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we are going to close off today's edition of Radio Kime. Alberto Basam by AX Twin.
Bye.
Bye, Tom.
Bye, Tom.
Thanks.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Caib, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
تحية الضوء Radio Caib. تحية الضوء Radio Caib.
You're listening to Radio Caib.